You're live. Okay, nice. I seem to be live, according to YouTube. So what are we doing today? I pulled out a transformer, which transforms voltage between like France and the US. Some of you may know I recently moved from the US to France, and even though I brought all my consoles with me, they don't work here in Europe without like buying new cables. So for now, I have a transformer, which is this device I really don't trust, that supposedly takes Europe voltage and turns it into US voltage in terms of oversimplifying stuff. Welcome, Chris Carriera. How are you doing today? So I've got my Wii running, as you can see in here, and I can point at stuff with the Wii remote because I have my, what's it called, sensor bar up, which means that we can use it to like actually read stuff. Hello, Hua Flexi and Mr. Anonymous. Welcome to the stream. How are y'all doing? I'm glad you're doing good, Chris Carriero. Can I call you Chris? I'm gonna call you Chris. Please speak up if you disagree with my choice. Anyways, let's switch from over here to my PC. That should be PC, yeah. There we go. Aptly named. There's PC, there's Switch here. Oh god. There's the PC, there's the Switch, there's for Nintendo Directs, I guess it just captures Chrome, yeah it does. Captures Dolphin, and this captures the game I'm making. Which isn't public right now, but you know the name. It's better because the only way to say my last name is in Germany. I don't know how to pronounce that in German. Doing good, you? Oh, thanks for asking. I'm doing pretty well, gotta say. I mean, not much going on. I'm plugging my fan right now because it's actually cold, which is odd. Yeah, I saw family today. We watched a movie. We watched Guardians of the Galaxy again, since that's a great movie, and I hadn't seen it in a long time. And yeah, now I'm here after playing lots of Hollow Knight. Pretty much. Back to this. So I was thinking, right? I got yaw working. Sorry, what? I got pitch and roll working, but not yaw. If we look over here, we have this rotation.x. Let me just remove this and comment this out. There we go. Let's do that. We're having Google issues. Ah yes, Google issues. The worst kind of issues. Alright, and I have to go into Device Manager. Oh wait, what am I doing? I have to go into Control Panel and into Add a Device and add my Wiimote. So let me go do that. Take that case off. Come on, you can do it. Please. Do I play Animal Crossing New Horizons? I'd love to, but it's way too expensive for what I currently have. Since like I have to buy other stuff too, and just like, yeah, I can't really afford the game right now. I don't get any income from YouTube. If I did, I would buy it, but I've been not monetized for a long time. Even though I did meet the requirements for a long time, but one of the reasons I quit YouTube a while back was, well, that window closed, but my Wiimote doesn't seem paired. Nice. Let's try to do that again, maybe because the Wii U is running. Wish me the best of luck. Thank you. I appreciate it. So I don't think we're getting monetized anytime now, considering the current viewing. But like, I don't do YouTube for the money anyways. Since I would have stopped entirely. Okay, there we go. Now it's paired. A long time ago, if it were for the money. It's still saying that it's installing stuff, but it seems to be paired. Yeah, so let's boot that up. And no Wiimote. Okay, that's a bit worrying. Let's go into controllers. What? Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. So look, I'm pointing my Wiimote straight forwards right now. Yeah, I'm gonna just lay it on the table so that you don't have my hand shaking. Yeah, it looks fine. I'm gonna tilt it to the left. So you have the tilt. It sort of works if you don't go too far. If you go too far, it goes like that. And then you go this way, and it also works. And then I'm gonna tilt it forwards. That's pitch. And I'm gonna tilt it backwards. It's also pitch. So pitch works, roll sort of works if you don't go too far with it. But yeah, you already have 1K, so you completed the first step. Well, I had 1K for a long time, and I had 4K watch hours for a very long time as well. And they never did anything about it. I contacted YouTube and all, and they just did nothing, so that's that. Okay, so let's look at leftsaber.rotation.x. Let's just look at these values. I'm going to try to make it stop jittering so much. So we're going to print both of these values. Rotation.y. And I did notice that there was this really nice thing in the game demo for drawing text where it centered it, and I just didn't actually look at it at all. So we're going to do that. We're going to copy that, just like steal it, put it into our draw text function. So just like here, we do MSP text, and then we should be able to do that. Translate.set uniform scale, Biit translate. Okay, there we go. That should work. So let's build it, and let's look at the values. We can close control panel now. Yeah, that should make debugging stuff easier because it centers it. Come on, you can build it. You can do it. I believe in you, computer. Maybe I shouldn't believe in you, but right now I'm placing my trust within you to complete this build. You can do it. Am I going to do a face reveal? Actually, I was going to do it a long time ago, but I never had the funds to get a webcam. Is basically the deal. Like, I could use my phone, but that, like, if I'm going to reveal my face, I want to at least, you know, do it in a way where I can actually use it in videos. Like, I would totally do it if I had a webcam, but I don't have a webcam. Also, this didn't work, so we're going to instead, what is transformation identity? It is nothing. You went on holidays today. Nice. Where did you go? Transformation identity matrix. Brain. No. I'm not reading that in stream. I can read it out of stream, but oh god. What is identity? Like, what happens if I call, like, something identity? Okay, anyways, there a way that we can change the translate? Okay, let's set translate dot get translate minus center, and center is just going to be a empty vector 3f. Infernal, nice. Good. Like, do a lot of people here? Is everyone here from Germany? Everyone in the stream right now? Besides Elijah K. Wonder if there's a way to speed up the builds, because this is like very slow. It's not even giving any output. It's not giving a sign that it started building. It's just like, oh, well, build started, and then you gotta wait for a minute. You're not gonna say where you're from, but you're not from Germany. Nice. Oh wait, what was that? Center is uninitialized. Okay, well, I don't care. But we're still not seeing any text, so I'm a little bit worried. Let's do center over like 10. Does that work? Vielleicht. I hope that it works. Oh, come on. Please just work. Please just display text. I want to see what the translation is doing, like what way it's moving it. Like basically what I'm trying to do is center the text, but I don't want to spend too much time on it, so if we can't get it to work, if we can't see anything this time, I'm gonna revert it. Okay, well, it was nice knowing you, but you are out of the equation. Quite literally, you're just out. Die. Death. What you deserve. Wait, I just realized. Hold up. I have transformation translate and I have transformation T. That's not right. What I have to do is I have to do transformation translate equals this, and then that, and then that, and build. And possibly remove the divide by 10 because now it makes sense. It just has to like actually build it. Come on, you can do it. So half the stream is just waiting for this. Okay, there we go, it built. Still nothing. Let's remove the divide by 20, but I don't, or the divide by 10, but I don't have high hopes for this. Let's see, set static cast, float. Why are we doing minus equals? Oh, I see. We should do plus center then. We just get MP render, get height, get width. Okay, that's just meant to be at the center of the screen. Oh, and then the center thing. Oh, I see. Yeah, the center vector is actually supposed to get the center of the model bound. Okay, that's actually smart. Let's try this, and if that works, let's add in the text center, but if it doesn't work, let's just give up on text centering. Oh wait, I'm dumb. A transformation of 0 works, so if I translate byte, Seriously? Hold up. Stream's freezing a little. Maybe it's your internet. I hope it's not me. Yeah, no, there are no drop frames, and we're going at full speed. So that shouldn't be me, I hope. Let's try stealing this though. MSP text. It's fine now, okay. Well, I didn't change anything, so it must be your internet. Since my internet is quite stable. Thanks to us strategically buying a house that has like Ethernet in the walls, which is really useful actually, since we get gigabit Ethernet everywhere. I would do a speed test, but that leaks my IP, so I'm not going to do that. Oh, it wasn't Anonymous's internet? It was mine? What? How's there's nothing? Okay, let's subtract the center. Actually, no, let's just not do anything, see if that renders. And if so, we can try to subtract the center. Can we do like get mesh? No, there's no height. There's just model bound. It was lagging for 10 seconds, but now everything's fine. Oh, okay. Get model bound dot center, compute from, copy from, get radius, grow to contain, center, radius, transform by which side? No. Okay. Does this work? It does? Okay. So let's try minus center and then plus center. Maybe center is just huge. I should debug the values, but I don't care enough, so if this doesn't work, then let's do that. Do I have a Twitch? I do, but I streamed on it once, and it wasn't very successful, so for now I'm sticking to YouTube, but like, if you can convince me to switch to Twitch, I could possibly do that. Since like most of my subscribers are on YouTube. Okay, well, no text, so let's just give up entirely. Leave it for another time. Get translate, do that, semicolon, let's remove that, and there we go. Oh, we don't need to set it to itself. You don't have a Twitch, just wanted to know. Okay. So this displays text, and we're getting yaw and pitch, and who is PMing me? Oh, thanks. Thanks, Slender. I'm live right now. Thanks. I'm live right now if you want to witness bad code. Okay. Still building. Come on. Okay. Can run it now, and it runs. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is try to get the infrared working. So I'm going to just quickly make a commit with GitHub Desktop. You gotta wait for it to boot up, and that would be, yeah, we don't want to get the debug things. We don't need builds GCC. Let's edit the git ignore, because there's a few things that we should ignore that we're not doing. So let's go into here, let's go into let's go into here and get ignore. Let's ignore, oh what? We're already ignoring all of this. There we go. This is the right get ignore. Right, so we probably want to ignore dot dol, dot elf, and dot htm. There we go. Let's build that. Right, let's update the get ignore first. Commit to master. Push that. And now it should ignore everything. But I guess it doesn't. Push. Oh wait. Add roll. Add pitch roll. Tracking. Okay. Whatever, we'll figure out GitHub later. Let's close all of these. Yes, that. Okay, die. Let's do push. And it pushed. Nice. So now let's look at the game demo because I know it uses infrared to do stuff. So let's see, process input. Where's process input? Process input is here. So processing IR. That is really easy actually. Okay, let's see. Process input. Let's get rid of this for now. And this. And I guess we don't need to deal with swing right now. Okay, so we can just copy this right here and modify it for our purposes. That is a tiny exclamation mark. What is that? Okay, so if p input device has capability ir.type, so that would be wire IR, please let me include it. Stupid, there we go. No infrared. Okay, const IR pointer p IR dynamic cast const IR get capability IR type. Okay, there we go. Now, what does he do here? We get the cursor position with just get height and get up. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, that's good. We don't need that. We just need this. Actually, let's just see first if it gets the cursor position. So let's do std2string. Let's remove this draw text. And let's do std2string cursor position.x. Cursor position.x. And cursor position.y. Let's build that and let's see if it works. Hopefully it doesn't say no IR, that would be really sad. Build started, come on, you can do it. Nothing happening on Discord. Well, nothing that is relevant. Wow, even after just going through most of my Discord channels, it's still building. Oh, there we go. Okay. Do we have IR? I mean, it is something, but this does not seem to be correct at all. Hmm. Okay, so what the heck? let's steal this if statement right here. And then let's make an else statement with really ugly that. Okay. So that, and then this is gonna be out of screen. Screaming. Okay. Build. It's gonna say out of screen, isn't it? Does game do anything else with IR? P input device. Okay, it checks IR, etc. On start, does it do anything? No. Okay. Let's hope we don't run into more problems with this. You must go. Okay, see ya. Thanks for having been here. What? What is this 0.000 that we're drawing? I think we're just drawing something else somewhere. Yeah, we are. Okay. Guess we're just drawing over it. Er spricht kein Deutsch. I speak a little bit of German. He is also taking German, I think. Okay, so it should say out of screen, and when I point at it, it should say not out of screen, but it doesn't. Why? Is the Wii U camera not working? What's going on? Let's open up OBS and let's switch over to the Wii U. The Wii U seems to be working. Let me just tell it that I exist. Okay, well that doesn't do anything. No. Let me turn off the gamepad, I guess. Just says out of screen. Why would that be? Why did I open Spotify? Because I have the sensor bar on it. What are the conditions for out of screen? If it's equal to maximum and maximum. Okay, so IR get right, PIR. What can we do with this? Get down, backward, forward, left, right. Backward and forward. Let's look at these positions. I mean, these functions. If not is valid data. So let's manually do this. What does is valid check? If data equals null, else return IR.valid. Okay. So instead of doing get right and etc., we can do this instead. We can do p input device get data buffer get data. Okay. And then we can do p data infrared dot Let's look at it, get right. ir.x. Okay, so let's just do ir.x. And then get up, it's probably gonna be like get up ir.y. Okay, that's just gonna be negative z, get down, get backward. What is z? I didn't know we had a z to work with, but okay. Ir p data, p data ir dot y. Let's see if this works. Build. It's probably just gonna give me a null pointer or something, or like however the Wii handles null pointer exceptions. Just invalid reads, I guess. This must be so entertaining to watch. And just like waiting for builds. Okay, there we go. Oh. What? We are getting data. If I point... Okay, that's really odd. If I point direct... What? If I point like anywhere, I'm getting data. Then if I point specifically at the sensor bar, it just like freezes. Oh wait, if I point at like nothing, it's odd. If I point at my screens, I get seemingly data. Sort of. That is... Whoa. Whoa. That's really weird. I can see the light reflected from the Wiimote. That's not right. I can see the light reflected on my monitor. And like on my computer and stuff. What? That's not meant to be. Is it not meant to be infrared instead of visible, like, grayish light? It reflects off my wall and stuff, but not off of the lights. Or of the sensor bar. That is really odd. What? And like, the thing is, the data seems to be semi-normal. If you don't count it like seeming to reset randomly every time it loses tracking. Like, if I move to the right, you driven a quad. What do you mean? That is so weird. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna turn the lights off. And then I'm going to unplug turn on my phone. Wait, where's my phone? Oh no, I'm blind. Okay. I'm gonna unplug the Wii U's center bar. Right, so now we have no infrared light, supposedly. And we are getting data off my monitor. What in the heck? No longer good data though. Do you do the Fortnite quads? What do you mean? And probably not. Okay, I'm really confused. I don't know how this... I don't understand life anymore. Like, why are we here? What's the point of it all? What? Why did you lie to me? You're hacking Wii U? Wii technology life? What did I do to deserve this? Why am I reading? I just turned off my Wii U. Oh, and you can't even see the numbers. I forgot to switch back to my PC. Oof. Yeah, look, I'm just pointing at my monitor right now. Just going left and right. See, right now I'm going left. And then I'm going right. Like, it's semi-smooth. Is the weird thing about it. And I can see this oval reflection. Hold on, let me get a picture of it. There we go. I'm so confused. What is the point of this? Just working. Okay, I'm gonna send it on the Discord. So if you all are on the Discord, you can see it. You wanna hear my relaxing voice? Oh, thanks. Gotta say, my voice is very relaxing. That picture looks very low quality. Yeah, but like, do you see that oval? White oval is light projected from Wiimote, the peg, and I'm getting IR data on screen. So confused. I don't understand the meaning of life anymore. I mean, I never did, but still. Is it working? I mean, if you consider reading ghost data working, see, we have like, we can move the Wiimote up and down. That works. We can like sort of tilt it, but we don't have yaw working. Like, we can't move it side to side. So I'm trying to read IR data. Except I unplugged my sensor bar, and you can see I'm reading IR data, even without a sensor bar. Are there 4 spectators? Or actually, there's 5 current viewers. Let me check the participants. Yeah, it just says Hua Flexi and Team Cyndaquildac. Cyndaquil DAC, sorry. If it's reading it at all, that's a win. That's a Windows. Yeah, but the data seems to be garbage data. I don't seem to be getting any good data from the actual IR sensor, which is what's weird about it. Like, let me plug it, let me turn it back on. Come on. I hate that sound. Every time I feel like I'm gonna get shocked. Okay. And I've plugged in the IR sensor. Okay, so we should be getting clean IR data now. See it? It's noisy. Like, I'm moving my Wiimote very smoothly around. Now from side to side. And it seems to be just random stuff. Okay, so I'm assuming it's between 400, it's between 400, 480, I've seen, So we only need to track, let's display XYZ. So let's go over here, let's add another dot append string series thing. Copy that, but this time let's do p data colon ir dot z. Why is there a z value to the 2D infrared data. It's because it doesn't support IR bar hot plugging. That makes sense, but the IR bar is literally just a bunch of LEDs. Oh well, from what I've heard, I'm gonna look it up now. Infrared sensor technology, apparently. Wii remote, okay. Sensor. Infrared sensor, nope. Sensor bar. Communicates with the sensor bar. Like, what's the deal with the sensor bar? Sensor bar. Okay, so acceleration along 3 axes, yes. Optical sensor to determine where it is pointing. Weebrew always has a bunch of documentations. Nice. Senses light from the console's sensor bar. Okay, but does the sensor bar communicate with the Wii? The light emitted is focused onto the image sensor, which sees the light as 2 bright dots separated by distance mi on the image sensor. How large oh, that intelligence 1000. Nice. Well, we're not getting any data. That's that. Neat. I'm confused. Just out of nowhere, no data. Hello, BGP19000. Do you still play the 2B2T? No, it's been a while. I stopped playing when they patched out all the illegal items. Just stopped being as interesting to me. I was mostly in for like the cool history of stuff. But since most of it was patched out, it's just not really that interesting to me anymore. I'm confused why we're getting just all zeros. Oh, no, what? Okay, so if I get it further away, does Z increase? No, it's just random. If I get it really close to the sensor bar, it's 0.3, 0.7, etc. 1. If I get 5 meters away, it's still the same values. What do you want from me? Will you add a sort of flat mode where you can use the classic controller sticks to control the sabers? I don't think that'd be very fun, but I guess maybe. So I don't know what to do. I have 2 pings. Oh, thanks, Master Luma. Feel free to post links in chat. I mean, I think chat allows links. Yeah, how are you doing, BGP? Long time no talk. The Wii remote. Okay, status reporting. Let's look for infrared. Okay, it looks here. Pass filter, yes. Plastic casing. The camera's built-in image processing. Tracks 4 moving objects. Good, nice. What have you been up to? Do you still play on 2v2t? Aw, the camera can't be used to take a picture. Aw, that sucks. The built-in processor uses that, blah blah blah. That is a high quality picture for such a small camera. So maybe we have to enable it? We were on 2v2t today, nice. Is there anything new? Mechanical, optical. Okay. base was griefed. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I wonder if anyone's found my dupe stash. Back from like the last donkey dupe. Or well, the one that was going on when I was playing. It was like 100k out only, or like 150k. Quite far away from any highways though. I was sure to cover up my chunks. I have a pathfinding bot. Nice. I was using my own client, which like overlays the seed for base hunting. That was really useful. I never released it though, since it kept crashing on me. I also had an auto dupe and anti-IFK that actually worked, which was cool. That like kept you in the same area. Right. So, what do? We can get the X, Y, and Z, but we can't trust this data. Maybe false. And let's get the PIR data. PIR. Get up. And then PIR. Get down. Elytra pathfinding. Nice. I already read that, but it's still nice. I should show that seed overlay to Barondome. Yeah, I did see that video actually recently. It was interesting. We are out of the screen, question mark? Oh, I guess changing that true to false was like what made it not read. Oh wait, no, that makes no sense. Oh wait, it does. It does, because here we have true. This is whether it checks the extensions, I think. Yeah, look up extensions. So if I build this, it should say no IR. Yeah, I mean, maybe. There's probably someone who's already done it, and like, mine isn't even that good. Probably still have it though. It's called Qbot. Ooh, Qbot. Oh. What, really? Is everything just gone? Desktop, modding. The PEC? Is the actual project just gone? Hold up, I'm curious. This build, out of screen. And if we point directly at the IR sensor, we do get some data. Ooh, that's promising. But it doesn't seem to make much sense, the data itself. Up and down, no. If I get further away, I'm right too close to it. Okay, so pointing at the bottom right, I get 230 and 190. Top right, I get 300 and 90. If I move from side to side, it goes down and then up slightly. God, this is so unreliable. I don't think this is how you do it. Okay, let's see. Everything. Does Qbot still exist? It had a thing that, oh my god, there's a jar file. Can't write. What version is this? There's Killbot. How to get out of a book ban. It just spam /kill when you sign in. Brain. Alright, 7-zip. Com, the Suncat, Qbot. We have the Discord. Oh, this was back when I made like that Discord thing, where it like linked the chat with it linked the Minecraft chat with the Discord chat. That was pretty cool. Like before that was a thing in mainstream clients. That's fun. But that one only has the AFK, the Q, and the auto dupe. Nice. Okay, but I don't know what's wrong with IR though. And I guess it's not bad to try again. This time we're not checking the extensions. So let's not do the Z, since I don't think we can trust that or do anything with it really. And then let's not get P data. I feel like I'm probably doing something wrong for getting infrared data. Out of screen. Yet again. If I go pretty far, does it do anything? No. Okay, so it's just getting nothing. Not even with the lights. No. Okay. Let's try closing Dolphin and doing it again. Hold up, does it work with Mario Galaxy? That would be a good test. I don't see a cursor. Is my IR camera just broken? Or what? Do you need to have a sensor bar actually plugged into the computer? Hold up. Dolphin use Wii sensor bar without USB. How do I use my Wii sensor bar with Dolphin? Let's see. My brother sold his Wii. Aw, that's so sad. Don't sell your Wii. Two candles will work. Okay, that's interesting. So like you don't actually need, but how does that explain that this doesn't work with the sensor bar that is clearly plugged into here? Is my phone sensible to infrared light? No, but I bet my VR headset is. Hold up. I wear my VR headset. This is so weird. Okay, with this, I'm gonna go into pass-through mode. Hold up, it has to boot up. You can see Oculus booting up, I think, on the PC. Okay, I see a black screen, Oculus logo. I'm gonna sell my headset probably, considering like what Facebook's doing with it. Okay, but can we go into pass-through mode though? Let me get my other controller. Oh god, that hand was floating away. No, I see my phone's infrared light, but I don't see the sensor bar's infrared light. That's a bit worrying. My phone emits infrared light to detect like the lighting of the room, but this does not seem to. Let me check I'm using the right mic for OBS. Properties, blue snowball, yeah, okay. So what's the deal? Hello, Ice McFall, welcome. I'm trying to figure out how to get pecking infrared working. I use my phone's infrared. That'd be fun. No. It's not detecting it either. Yeah, so using my Rift S, I can see my phone's infrared signal, but I can't see anything coming from the actual Wii sensor bar, which is odd. Maybe it's not using it. Maybe I need to like boot into Wii mode. Hold up. Wii menu. Like the Wii remote. At the TV to use the Wii menu. Okay, that's gonna be tricky. How are you doing today though, Ice McFall? Okay. Is this Wii thing just dead? I have multiple sensor bars. Let's try this sensor bar. I just have like a plentitude of sensor bars. Okay, this one gets unplugged. You had a good run, but in the end you didn't work, so out you go. You're interested in what this is? This is my attempt at making Beat Saber on the Wii as Wii homebrew. It's not going so well right now, considering I can read the pitch. I can read the pitch and the roll values from the Wii remote, but it has no yaw tracking, which means I can't like move it side to side. Back to PC, back to here, back to that weird ad. Is this Wii U? Does this Wii U just not support sensor bars or what? VR headset time. God, why is it not booting me into? Yeah, there's nothing coming from that sensor bar. It's meant to have infrared, right? Let me see, let me look it up. Oculus Rift S, infrared. That's so cool. You can use an infrared lamp to use a Rift S in a dark room. Oh, that's cool. Okay, but yeah, I can definitely see infrared. So like, what's up with this? That's the wrong tab. I didn't mean to close that. I mean, I do have two candles, but they're downstairs, and I'd rather not go get them. I think I'm probably just gonna call it for today and mess with this on my own later, because this isn't working right now. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the Discord server if you want to chat, or I'll see you all next stream if you want to watch next stream. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.